Getting started.
1. Listen and read.
Guess what? I'm going to Hue City next week.
That's great. Are you excited?
Very. You've been there, haven't you?
Yes, I have. 3 times, actually. It's an amazing place. How are you getting there?
My father suggests we should go by air.
That's too expensive. I suggest going by train. You can meet people and see a lot of beautiful sights from the train.
That sounds better. And do you know any good places to stay in Hue City?
I'd recommend the Romance Hotel. I can give you the address if you like.
Great, thanks. What's the best way to get around?
It's probably best to use rickshaws. It's said that they're quicker and cheaper than taxis.
That's good to know. So what are the things we shouldn't miss? Any good museums?
No. Don't bother going to the museums. There are much better things to see there. You should definitely see the Royal Citadel. It's said that this complex of monuments is one of the wonders of Vietnam. In fact, it's listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Yes, that's what I've heard. So what else is worth seeing?